Wasn't just Sharkey County and Rolling Fork, but other areas as well. This is in Monroe County and Amory. The cleanup efforts are going on there. This is video from inside one of the schools there from Friday night. You can see from the surveillance video inside what happened when that twister hit all the glass and debris that's flying around. There are also volunteers in this area helping out. Now, this is outside, daylight. That's Amory High School, the campus, or what's left of it there. It received significant damage. As you can see, the roof was blown off of several buildings. The athletic facilities took a major hit, and it comes at a time when their spring sports are picking up and students and coaches are looking forward to practicing outside. Well, there's so much damage right now that won't be happening, and also classes won't be happening. They'll be doing virtual learning for the next few weeks until they can get things cleaned up.